I guess welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Logitech G29 not working on PC. If you want to fix the issue, then you will need to follow some steps. Power cycle the wheel. Disconnect the wheel from the PC slash game console and power outlet. Then disconnect the pedals, power adapter and shifter from the wheel. Then wait for 10 to 15 seconds. Then reconnect the pedals, power adapter and shifter to the wheel. Then connect the wheel to a no working USB port and AC outlet. Second, calibrate the wheel using Windows Game Controller setting. Ensure that you have installed the latest version of LGS/G Hub for the wheel. Connect the wheel directly to a USB 2.0 port of the computer. Bypass any of use of KVM switches, USB hubs, port replicators and docking stations. Then press Windows plus R key to open the Run command box. Then type joy.cpl to open the Windows Game Controller settings. Then select the entry for the gaming wheel. Then press Ctrl plus Shift while clicking Properties. Then go to Settings tab and click Calibrate. Then in the last, follow the calibration instructions, then test the wheel afterwards. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.